Do you see Emmy? He's listening to the sounds your guinea pigs are making, and lots of you have asked us their meaning. So let's jump straight to the explanation. Unlike rabbits, guinea pigs make a lot of different sounds. And we have studied and categorized 6 of them, which are the most common. And we're going to play them for you. Emmy's going to listen to them with the headphones, and we're going to explain what each one means. So let's start with the first one. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. These are the weeks. Great. It's the easiest of all. Every guinea pig is demanding our attention or food. Let's go for the second one. I'll play it again for you. I'll play it again. This is a teeth chattering sound. Right. Teeth chattering means they're angry, that we need to leave them alone. So, step back from your guinea pig. Listen, I'll play the third one for you. It sounds like your cat's, right? Well, it's purring, just like cats do when they're happy and comfortable. This is the ideal time to pet them and be with them. Come on, Emmy. Let's go check out the fourth sound. Listen. You're going to hear this sound a lot. Guinea pigs are very curious, and when they're exploring a place that seems new to them or they're investigating something, this is the sound they make. Come on, the fifth one. The fifth one. You mimic quite well. It's just that I haven't been to Guinea Pig University. Well, this sound will only be heard when we put 2 guinea pigs together, because it's the sound they make when they're adults and are, in quotes, interested in a mate. And then they mark their territory and recognize each other. They make sounds of recognition, of marking territory. Let's go ahead and tackle the last of the sounds. What do you think? It sounds like crying to me. Yes, he's complaining. It's very easy. They are little moans, and it obviously means something is bugging her, and we should either leave her alone or help her with whatever is disturbing her. Well, we could already get a degree in guinea pig sounds. We're experts. Come on, I think by collecting them, we can... How can we explain to them the sounds that will occur at super clear times of the day? Which one do you think? One of them. When we open the fridge and they associate the fridge opening sound with us getting out food. And another very typical one that you always tell us about is when they hear their food bag. When we started handling it, that sound asks you to feed them.